BJP Manipur Pradesh has criticized the Congress Party's commitment to the NRC, citing an alleged walkout by Congress legislators during a March 2024 Assembly session. During a press conference at Thambal Shanglin, BJP General Secretary P. Premanand Maitai argued that the walkout on March 1st of 2024 serves as a clear evidence of the Congress Party's stance against the NRC. He noted that the discussion reaffirmed a resolution originally passed on August 5 of 2022 regarding the NRC's implementation. Premananda claimed that the National Population Register (NPR) is a vital prerequisite for the NRC. He explained that while the census and NRC are distinct processes, the NPR and NRC are linked. Citing the Union Home Minister, Premananda maintained that identifying and deporting illegal immigrants remains a primary goal for the BJP. He also defended Chief Minister Y. Khemchand against Congress's criticisms, clarifying that he highlighted the government's intent to collaborate with experts to ensure successful implementation. The BJP leader asserted that the state government is awaiting a response from the center regarding the NRC and urged the Congress Party to stop misleading the public.
NRC se akhoi de yamna darkar le haiba se 2022 da logiba akhoi assembly ki pot se BJP ne lead to akhoi government na 2024 da masi ki pot se akhoi amukhan akhoi masi akhoi reform to kadai da Manipur ki assembly Manipur da NRC chana gadobuni haina akhoi ki legislature singna Manipur ki assembly da ware longnana ba pukhalapa matam da congress ki MLA sing Manipur da NRC chana hangadong haibari to sang yaw se ngamdadana mapan thokibane karigi moi NRC ki mayok lai Congress party na siang na Manipur NRC ji implement tongingba thoga pangtho ningba taragadi 2024 ki assembly da hariba NRC se reform tomda gi matam da karigi walk out toring habse masi yang questionable na masi Congress na pakhum pi ga dong NRC to matam da national population register dakar la NRC aduga census anisi pulle habiyate anisi tongan tongan adum oidana su NRC to no hona matam di implement to no hona matam di akhoi national population register si akhoi tarka le adu national population register to matam di census su kan di ate census ka national population ga di related oi national population si ko kai mai le ne ga ga NRC ka su mai le ne thabak si mai pa nga to bo yana ba gi damakta Manipur ke chief minister Shri Yumnang Khemchand jin hai gi badu di implement to matam da nakai seng na mai pak na to bu yana ba gidamakta PSR yi OBI kari yi OBI kamai to bu du OBI kari sigi mayam sing ji di NRC to du ne na akhon pangchem chema ga to bu ya na te